The unit functions by using hydraulic pressure, which is produced by the hand pump and measured by the gauge. The hydraulic fluid actuates the spanner, seen in the front. Three other components work together with the spanner. The first is the spacer sleeve, which attaches to the bottom of the spanner and rests against the surface of the flange. The second component is the tension nut, which the spanner exerts force on to stretch the bolt. The tension nut threads onto the bolt, as shown. The third and final component is the adjusting ring, which fits over the nut on your assembly and is used to thread down the nut. To assemble, loosen the set screws on the spacer sleeve. Then, insert the adjusting ring, which best fits your application. After you have inserted it into the spacer sleeve, tighten the set screws. Next, attach the spacer sleeve to the bottom of the spanner via set screws. With this complete, place the spanner assembly onto your application and thread the tension nut onto the bolt until it makes contact with the spanner. With the spanner assembly now in place, connect it to the pump by hydraulic hose. This is a good opportunity to check once again that everything is in place correctly. Using the hydraulic pump, increase the hydraulic pressure to the target load for your application. Carefully monitor the pressure of the hydraulic fluid on the gauge as you pump. Once the target pressure is reached, check the calibration certificate to verify that the correct pressure has been applied in order to produce the specified load on the bolt. With the load now applied, use a small pin to spin the adjusting ring and thread down the nut. With the nut now in contact with the flange surface, you may release the hydraulic pressure and remove the spanner assembly. The nut now bears the load of the bolt, and assembly is complete.